In this video, I want to talk about how you can contact the seller on AliExpress. If you want to contact the seller, all you have to do is head to your profile, go to My Orders, click on your order, and you can press on Contact the Seller. Now, if you have not bought from them yet, what you can do is you can go to their shop. So just find anything. Let's go back here. Just click on anything here and you can click on the item. What you can do is then go here to their shop and you'll be able to see their shop from in here. So you can see their business license and stuff in here, but I do not believe you can contact them in here. So you gotta contact them when you buy the order, or you can come here and see their business info and they might have a contact mail or something. So these are the ways that you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.